Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
Kishapu Msangwabo.
Grand man.
Yeah.
What's your take on the game today?
Game Giboni sharp like Polokwane ka 20 minutes iba busy sharp. So ile phazam so afela ka ukoriwa one goal. So goal ile the moment ba koriwa bele ba change strategy so ba pala. Baba ba pala sharp. So but no when Sundown iba pala sharp. So I was support Sundown today. And I say Sundown will win 3. My prediction was 3.
Wow, okay.
But Kala Buraru is another story.
Yeah, you are not.
Kala Buraru. Sundown neke boni abapala. I respect Sundown. Mara Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, you honor Sundown. I don't have a problem with Sundown. But Kala Buraru nakinyaga draw fan.
Draw.
Nakinyaga draw.
Mara draw you set up Amazulu is coming for you.
Akinata Amazulu ke shapa ke tabene. Amazulu ke shapa ke tabene. Ki remain on number 3. Nantu kisanya ki kuri Pirates in league.
Oh, okay.
Akiba Pirates in league. Kaizer Chiefs going into in league before Pirates. So and I don't know how many years it's gonna take. Or Chiefs in league after that Pirates in league. As long as Kaizer Chiefs in league first, before Pirates.
Hey, that means Pirates are still going to wait for a long time.
Maybe 10 years coming.
Oh, thanks, my brother.
Yeah, so Mara, man of the match, Matthew, give man of the match today. Since Kibona Sundown, Kimatomo Matthews and Performela gave me a shot today.
Number 1.
So, yeah, so it's man of the match, Matthews.
Thank you so much.